For all of that, who doesn't like a peek inside the homes of the rich and famous?
Well, today we are lucky enough to be getting a tour of Britney's former LA abode as property expert Emily Evans takes us for a special look around.
My name's Emily Evans. I've been an estate agent and property developer for over a decade, and I've come to Los Angeles to show you around some celebrity homes so we can see really how the other half do live. Welcome to Hollywood.
Everybody comes to Hollywood. They wanna make it in the neighborhood.
The property I brought you to today is on a private, secluded development. Now, the reason celebrities like these developments is because if they want to go out to get their mail from their mailbox in their pyjamas, they can, because they're away from the prying eyes of the public and the press, apart from today. This Mediterranean villa was home to none other than pop princess herself, Britney Spears. She lived here from 2007 to 2009 during her very public breakdown, leading her to make the documentary Britney for the Record with MTV, of which this house featured in. Let's take a look around. Boasting just over 7,500 square feet and located in one of the wealthiest neighbourhoods in Beverly Hills, this property is right next door to Hilary Duff's, so you could always pop round for a cup of tea and a sing-song. This kitchen is still very original to how Britney had it herself. She had the granite worktops and she had the kitchen. However, it was a dark wood, when the current owners just painted it a lighter colour to save money. Let's head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms, but firstly, look at this hallway. This is the size of some people's houses, and that crystal chandelier is magnificent. Welcome to Britney's bedroom. In total, this property has 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. I've never really known the need for more bathrooms than bedrooms. Britney bought the house for $7.2 million and sold it at a loss for $4.2. However, property prices have gone back up and it's on the market for just under $7.5 million. Just across the hallway from Britney's bedroom is what every celebrity needs: a cinema room. This was Britney's powder room, featured quite a lot in the MTV documentary, which had a real impact on her pivotal comeback. Look at this ornate silk wallpaper. Much fancier than normal wallpaper, but much more expensive. Now let's go and take a look outside. You can really see why Britney would have loved this house. It's so private. And look at that pool. Now, it's actually a saltwater pool, and even though saltwater pools are more expensive, they're less damaging on the skin and the eyes, less damaging on your swimwear, and if you're bleach blonde like myself and Britney, your hair won't go green. If you don't think this property was born to make you happy, here are 3 other Hollywood mansions that are guaranteed to drive you crazy. Frank Sinatra's Malibu Getaway is on the market for $12.9 million. With 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms and even a hair salon, the garden backs right on to the beach. Or why not the former home of royalty? Meghan Markle's Hancock Park home is on sale for $1.8 million, comprising 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. If you need plenty of space for all of your friends, Matthew Perry is selling his massive Century City penthouse. But you'll need to have a bit of spare change lying about, as it's now on the market for a staggering $35 million. Good luck with that one. Well, seeing as I'm never going to be able to afford a place like this, I'm going to stay a little longer and relax by the pool. You can let yourselves out.
Wow, nice pad.
I know, really nice. Still to come.